Fake Dynamite, turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one not to get the stove.
Friends, oh my gosh, friends. Now, how is it? How often is it that your girl is coming on here dressed to a T? It's been a minute. I know, as I was even doing my makeup in like 5 minutes. I feel like there's so much I have to update you guys on, and I swear I was trying to be on my YouTube Zoom at one point. It's like I film the content, I just don't edit it. Like it's so frustrating because I'm like, I definitely don't want this content to go to waste. I just want to update you guys really quick. I was in charge of 3 meals this Thanksgiving. I wanted to be in charge of something. I need to watch that sweet potato, because yes, your girl was in charge of the sweet potato, and if I do say so myself, the ancestors were really speaking to me, because on my mom's recipe card for the sweet potato specifically, she said that she just kind of adds to taste. Honey, I didn't need to do too much. Okay, it's in my blood, and it tasted so good. Ooh. Yeah, it tasted so good. I was so proud of myself. I just tried to manage my time well. And y'all, I got back to my house. I was really supposed to get up at like 6 a.m. this morning to get the ingredients for my mom. She had the ingredients, she had everything separated out for me to just take back to my place. 6 turned into 9, which is actually when I woke up. And really, I'm not mad at it, because my body really didn't need a lot of rest this week. So like, I'm just glad I got the PTO. I'm just glad I got just the ability to rest, you know what I'm saying? Because jumping from being sick and trying to jump back into your routine, like I had went to the gym to try to keep filming my content for my TikTok fitness challenge that I'm just kind of posting on there, how I typically get back into the gym. Girl, I went, I did 2 exercises, 4 sets of 2 of those exercises, and that was it. Like, all I've been able to do really is the side glute routine that I have, and that's just because it's at home and I'm just using a band. So, and even doing that, I found myself like tired. I found myself just like not feeling too hot. My head was feeling like it was a balloon, like it was inflated. I just didn't know what was going on. So now I feel fine. I woke up this morning and I feel fine. I just needed a little bit more rest than to get up at like 6. So everything worked out though, because I was able to go. I look so good. I put this color wax in my hair, and so it's kind of like a blonde and copper mix. And it actually gave me such a freaking cute style. I love it. I love it so much. Tahim actually got the sickness that I had, and so he's back at home just recovering. Poor babes. But every time I'm sick, he does not care. I tell him, like, I'm sick. You need to back up away from me. We have a second room. Just go sleep in there while I'm sick. And he's just like, no. No. He wants to be all up under me no matter what. The same thing happened with COVID. Like, every time I'm sick, it always happens. And then I'm just like, it's no surprise when you get sick, babes. It's no surprise. You can't be doing that to yourself. Surprisingly, whenever he gets sick, it's never as like severe as when I get it. So I'm like, is he your favorite, Lord? But y'all, I'm just so happy. I love a good eating time, okay? I love a good eating time. It is currently, well, my arrival time is 3:43. My mom wanted to eat at 2. I'm sorry, mama. Like, I had to get ready, you know what I'm saying? And I was updating everybody. It's not like I was just, you know, out the loop. Everybody knows when you say 2 o'clock, that really means 5. But I'm at least making the effort to come, you know what I'm saying? Like, at least within an acceptable time frame. I feel like this is an acceptable time that I'm coming. Just the fact that it's the holidays, and like, it's the holidays, I'm feeling good. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good. I was gonna go in the Walmart and get some wine, but and I should do it now before it gets too late. But I just don't feel like walking in there. Actually, I am. I will. Places close early, like Black Friday. Like, I don't care about all that stuff anymore. I really don't care about it this year. But I'm just like, what's going on for Black Friday? Oh, is the Walmart closed? There's one car Is it closed, friends? I see 2 cars, bro. Nah, there can't be Thanksgiving store hours. Damn. When I say this is a good time, this is a great time. We usually never eat at this time. So I wanted to tune you guys in because I feel like a lot of the footage I'm going to get, if any, will be on my phone because I forgot another battery for my camera. So I had good intentions. That's why I brought the camera. But yeah, in the midst of me just trying to get out the door so I can get here, ooh, stop playing with her. The way that light just hits my face, like, I know. I know it's bringing you in your feels. Like, please, like, I know. But let me get on in here, okay, before everybody else and me. And yeah, happy Thanksgiving, friends. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for you guys. Have a great, great day. Enjoy your day. I love you guys. Mwah. But you know 2 is 5.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say, my name is Jaja. Yeah, now blow kiss. Oh.
Mama.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. So, bye. So, Jay is here. Per usual, telling me some animal facts. This is his hermit crab.
So his name is Pinchy. He's a green-shelled hermit crab. He is about, I don't really know his age yet, but I would say to 3 or 5 years old.
Okay.
He likes to be in water. He's an explorer. He doesn't like things that move fast. He handles pretty great. He loves climbing. Sky had one until she did. My mom wants to boil him, but I'm protecting him with all my life.
That crab meat wouldn't be too good.
Yeah.
You go ahead and dismiss the camera so I can help draw.
That's Sky, my cousin. Were you taking care of your hermit crab? Yes. So nice. Yes. How come it died?
Say hi, Joe. Pull yourself right here.
What's that? Hi.
Say hi. Oh, that's okay.
I know that his dad always says, hey.
Joe, can I see my paper?
Go like this. Go like this.
What you eating? Cornbread?
Mom.
Cornbread.
Mama.
Your mom's cornbread? Yeah, I'm ready to play.
Papa.
Yeah, let's go.
Rule breakers.
Creator, Coach Fisher.
When Vincent Shan Greensman come through, thing turn up. If a cartoon boy run up and violate, that why they get chef up. Get up, run up, get wet up. Drake done know, say Skyfall next up. I feel like 2 things from Northside, them 2 girls might get me set up. We know about street cred thing, man I shoot breaks since me a young kin. Me no rap no 6 as thing, but me pack 2 slims from Jane and Finch. In the dark house, man I pelt back as like Stevie Wonder in my eyes. Couple man span the block, no status, them turn thing get strippers and rappers. We know about me, we talk about me, for where is the blood cloud manners? If a bad man you want play it done, then you might get drop off, then lock off. But my engine never can stop off. Bare heat when I come up, me JBL speaker, it's knuckles. I'll curse to the most I bugger. I'll praise to my love grandmother. I love her, you done make all the pain get no more. Ever since man done get bigger, had no chance to see her or any of my niggas. It won't even stop me now or later to get to the things turn up. Ain't no one around.
Is this acting it out?
Lawnmower. Saw. A saw. Yes, down. A backward flip. Backflip.
Yes.
Wait, did I do it right?
Down.
Texting.
Skipping stones.
Skipping stones.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait. Oh, wrestling.
Yes.
Downward dog. Yoga.
Yes. Men.
Tie. A tie. Do a tie. You put it up to pass.
Very dark.
Bill,
Green
she's
hair.
white.
Green hair.
Wait.
Used
She's
to be
white.
green, now it's blonde.
Okay.
That's all.
Oh.
Bad guy.
Tangle?
Bible eyelash.
Purple eyelash. Yes.
Bible eyelash?
White girl that sings, wears baggy clothes, sings with a black guy named Khalid. Green streak of hair.
Oh, Billie Eilish? Yeah. Oh, I don't know Billie like that.
All praise to my love grandmother. I love her. You done make all the pain get no more. Ever since man done get bigger, had no chance to see her or any of my niggas. It won't even stop me now or later to get to the figures. When the new days of come round, things turn up. Ain't no one around this scholar. Get a couple pounds for your dollar. Coming out the wildest borrow. Money went around till we found each other. They really wanna doubt this brother. We see what I'm about when we out this summer. Proud and proper, ain't no one who really wanna lounge in front of. New days putting down 100. They say that the base for the brown in colour. Brody and bold and better. When I took a fall, I rose like better. I don't blow my own horn like Venner. I let her do it for me, she blows much better. You know, say me and Sky folk in the coldest weather. You know, say that man them cold, so it really is chilly if you hold this pepper. Wrap up your coat and sweater. Light up your home like never. They try cracking the code, but error. Better just worry about your own endeavour. When Vincent Shine Greensman come true, thing turn up. Make Lucky and D-man wrong with me, now fight, tell them dirty boy run up. Rub up your shot, get rough up. Make sure you don't move, you might get scuff up. In a black Air Force on a mission, man like me don't need permission. On land we are Zach and Cody, me I call my twin brother is Dylan. No face, no case when we finesse the bank, 80s, I and Midland. With Melanie, Simons, unruly the rudest felon. We don't say why we name fan news, but my man, it won't happen. Boy. When Vincent Shine Greensman come true, thing turn up. If a cartoon boy run up and violate that boy, they get chef up. Get up, run up, get wet up. Drake done most, it's Sky found next up. I feel link two things from north side, them two hell, I get me set up.